Farmers are no strangers to technologically advanced equipment that's been designed to make their lives easier. Yet, every once in a while, a piece of machinery comes along that blows the others out of the water with its ingenious technology and groundbreaking design. One such machine is the latest 2-in-1 fertilizer spreader from French ag implement manufacturer KUHN, which received the coveted Machine of the Year award at the recent 2017 Wimmera Machinery Field Days. And it has only just reached our shores.
This is the very first one in the country. It only arrived about 4 weeks ago. It was a big achievement for KUHN to win the Machine of the Year here at the Wimmera Field Days. It just proves that KUHN was right in making the decision to start importing them into the country.
The KUHN AXENT 100.1 is not just like any other spreader on the market. Its standout feature is its ability to not only spread granulated fertiliser, but also powdered fertiliser such as lime and gypsum, thanks to the different spreader packs that come with the machine.
In the past, you've only traditionally had to have 2 different machines, so this is essentially 2 machines in one. Traditionally, a spreader that spreads granular products does not work on lime and gypsum and powdered fertilisers because it compacts. So that's why we've gone for 2 different systems for the 2 very different products that you're going to spread. We have our Axis Power Pack on the back. This is the unit that we use for granulated fertiliser. So this belt delivers fertiliser to our Axis Power Pack, which has a left and a right spinner. Now this machine itself is essentially a 50.2 EMC on the back. EMC means it's got electronic mass flow control for the rate regulation, and this also has the big spinners on it, the big discs, the S12s, which allow us to do the urea out to 36 metres.
Switching power packs for the spreading of different fertilizers is just a matter of unlatching the module currently fixed on a spreader, unplugging the power plug and hydraulic hoses, and then installing the required power pack on the machine. The entire process takes just 10 minutes.
For the delivery system to the machine, as we've said before, we have a belt that you can see in here. Now that belt doesn't run continuously, that belt only runs when it needs to, and what we've got is an ultrasonic sensor on the left and the right, so to tell the controller up the front when to start and stop the belt depending on how much product is sitting in the hopper. We have an agitator here that only runs when we're using lime, so for granular product this fella here doesn't operate, but when we're running on lime it runs at 50 RPM to help break up the powdered fertiliser, because the powdered fertiliser tends to compact. It's a PDO driven machine that runs its own hydraulic system, so it's got its own hydraulic tank and its own hydraulic system in here, so it's not affected by oil flow of the tractor.
Sitting at the top of range, the Axent 100.1 fertilizer spreader has a 10-ton capacity and is fully isobus compatible.
If you already have an existing tractor terminal, once you are spreading out in the paddock, it will turn itself on and off, and it will shut off sections. All you have to do is drive. The machine does the rest. The machine also comes standard with a reversing camera up the top, and that's purely so you can see where you're going.
Being a premium machine, it comes as no surprise that the machine comes with a premium price tag of $175,000.
At the moment we've brought 4 into the country for this season, and because of the interest we only have 1 left. So there is still 1 up for grabs if anybody wants it.